So we'll do a quick video on how to use the cable laying machine by portable winch. Some of you all requested some information about it, but what I'm going to show you here is basically it's got a 800 meter spool of wire. You can see the handle here is adjustable. You can adjust it left, just a little bit off to the right, and also up and down for different height of people, and also a different amount of pressure that you might want to use. It also has a kickstand, and on the front there's an adjustable guide, so you can determine the distance off a lawn or a distance close to something that you can use. Okay, so it's a bit noisy, but I'm going to just do a quick video and show you how easy it is to use. Okay, so notice that it has adjustable pieces on the spindle that the wire's on, the reel of wire is located on, and so you can adjust that for different types of spools of wires that you have. And we'll get started here really fast. Okay, so also you notice here I have placed right there a staple just as an anchor point, because once you start moving with the machine, the wires don't want to actually run with the machine. So you need an anchor point. What you can do is just have enough wire wrapped around the staple for when you're going to connect to the charging station. So I don't have a charging station out here right now, and I'm not going to go very long with this machine because I do have a boundary wire and a guide wire in the proximity of where I am right now. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you that real fast how easy it is to use this machine. Okay, so this is engages it, and I'm doing one hand, but you can see it actually scissors and buries that wire down into the ground. Okay, so I'm going to stop it here for a second. So as you can see here where the wire is, that'll fill back in. You can walk right over it. But again, here's my anchor point that I told you about. So I would have enough wire used left over on this to actually run it to the charging station. But as you can see here, it's buried in the ground. And then that's where I stop for this short demo. Also, you can adjust the height of the handle as well. And then there's also a lever underneath here, so I can turn it also to the right if I'm working with branches or low-hanging branches. I can also adjust it as well, be off to the side a little bit. Okay, so I just want to show a quick couple points about the cable laying machine. You're a Husqvarna installer for the Automower. This is a great investment to have. Also has a kickstand on the side here on the front. So there's your kickstand. Also you have an adjustable guide as well that you can use, so you're getting close to things as well. Okay, so then you just hold that down and there you go. Okay, it also folds down for quick transport. A couple things you want to think about is when you use the cable laying machine and when you cut the wire right here, because a lot of times you're dealing with mud and soil, this can get filled up, this hole, if you store the machine away and haven't left enough wire out. So then you'll find yourself having to rethread wire through here and put water in here to soften up the mud that's dried from the prior usage. So make sure you leave enough wire out. When you get this machine, follow the manufacturer's instructions, because it does not come together. You have to put it together and assemble it. Okay, so this is James signing off. Take care, guys.